Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa immigration para kumuha ng exit clearance ng aking gorilla. Yes! Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa immigration. Maaga pa kami nakarating dito kasi maaga kami umalis doon sa bahay. Siguro umalis kami doon mga 4. Tapos dumating kami dito ng mga 5. Maaga pa guys. Maaga pa. Yung dati noon na may mga tindahan doon ng pagkain. Ayan, dyan. Harap ng ano yan, immigration. Ay ngayon, nilipat na sila. Dito na sila. Lahat. Ayan, yung mga turo-turo. Ayan, dyan yan. Sila guys. Asawa ko nandun sa kabila. Ayan. Paluto nila. Asawa ko nag-iisa. Puntahan ko nga. Pumunta kasi kami dito guys kasi kukuha kami ng ng exit clearance para sa pag-alis. So, nandito kami. Aalis kasi siya guys. Dapat kasama ako kaso nagbago isip ko, ayaw ko na. Tingla. Ano kaya itong camera ko? Parang nag-blurry o ano. Ayan. Parang blurry tuloy siya. Hindi ko naman alam kung paano to ayusin. At asawa ko guys, so nag-iisa. Nag-iisa. Tingnan na. Nag-iisa guys. Wow. Tingnan mo, pogi poy. Pose siya, pogi pose.
Good parade, the Hun-Hun's on the way.
Yes. Good morning, sir. Can I ask you?
Am I in an interview right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's my interview question?
I don't know either, sir. Ay, binibiro ko lang yung asawa ko. Kaya tanong ko ng interview. Ayan, interview. Di ko nga rin alam kung ano yung interview ko. Oh.
You look like you're doing a video of right here.
Yeah, I'm doing video.
Right here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, what's the interview question?
The question is, what are you doing here in immigration?
What am I doing here?
Yes?
I'm getting ready to go to Taiwan.
Taiwan. Oh,
Yeah.
really?
I'm getting
Taiwan.
my exit permission to leave the country. You have to buy permission to get out of here once you get in.
Good.
You're captured. So I'm getting my exit permission.
Yeah.
What they do is they check to make sure I'm not on the most wanted list in the Philippines. Then they give me a visa or permission to leave the country.
I'm sure, honey, that they give you a exit. I'm sure that they give because they don't want a big nose here.
Maybe they'll pay me to leave. Huh?
Yes. Ay.
Oh my God.
Yan eh.
That's too bad.
No.
Call me big nose on video. If I was using my camera, I could take one and call you little nose because you can't hold your glasses up.
I don't
They're
want.
falling
I
down,
don't.
falling
I
down.
don't. I don't.
Oh my God,
Oh. Adi.
See that big bug in front of me? Oh my
Yan ang asawa ko guys. So. Ayan lang. Ayan yung immigration guys. Ito yung statwa.
Look at that moon up there.
Ah?
Look at that big moon up there.
Oh, a big moon daw guys. So, asan guys? Ayun guys, ang moon. Hindi pa bumababa. Ayan yung immigration guys. Oh. Yung green na yan. Yan. Ayun, yan. Yung may ano. Ayan yung building na yan. Yan. Tapos dati yan, puro tindahan yan dito guys. Ngayon, wala nang mga tindahan yan. Yung mga turo-turo. Turo-turo, restaurant, ay, hindi naman, nang kainan na turo-turo ba, mga stall, mga food stall.
You better stop your video and restart it.
Why?
Because if it ends when you don't want it to, it won't be any good.
Okay.
You gotta make sure you don't run out of space. Stop it and restart it, and you'll be happy.
Yes, I'm finished this because I have okay.
You
Ayan.
can always put them together.
Chamber. Kaya, show you guys. O, tingnan nyo. Lahat ng mga kainan nandoon na guys banda dyan. Ayan, o. Ayan. Ilira yan dyan, lubodan. Ang may pula na yan. Papunta na yan doon guys. So, pagka kung gusto mong kumain, kakain ka dyan. Sige guys. Say bye-bye, honey.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.